Ever crave that mouth-watering, juicy doner kebab but dread leaving the house or settling for bland takeout? What if I told you the secret to the most authentic, flavor-packed doner is hiding right in your kitchen? Today, we're unlocking the mystery of homemade doner kebab. Forget expensive takeaways and complex equipment. We're going to transform humble ingredients into that legendary street food experience, giving you all the tips and tricks to make it unbelievably easy and genuinely delicious. Get ready to impress everyone, because your doner game is about to change forever. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how do I get that perfectly seasoned, thinly sliced meat without a giant rotating spit? That's the classic hurdle, right? Most recipes overcomplicate it or miss the mark entirely. But we've cracked the code. Instead of trying to replicate the commercial setup, we'll use a clever method to build those layers of flavor and achieve that signature texture right in your home oven. We'll press and bake seasoned minced lamb or beef, creating a dense, flavorful loaf that slices just like the real deal. It's surprisingly simple, incredibly satisfying, and tastes like you flew to Istanbul and back. So, are you ready to ditch the takeaway menu and create doner kebab that'll make your taste buds sing? If you loved learning how to bring the best street food home, then you absolutely need to see our next video for the perfect homemade pita bread that completes this feast.